planet?
Yeah, you live with me now. I'll convert the shed into...
Whoa. What is this place?
Oh my gosh! It's an inverted planet!
Excuse yourself, Gelatin! I believe the correct term is buried forest, deciduously insulated. I've heard stories about this, but I never knew we lived so close to
I
one!
bet you can't catch me, Nayli!
I bet I can. There's only one way off this tree. Looks like you're nailed.
Catch me!
Here I come.
You can't catch me! Cannonball!
Gelatin, please don't use my barbecue.
Cowabunga!
Ouch! Nelly, that really hurt, and oh my sap, I'm leaking!
Are you gonna be okay?
I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I always need liquid in me, or I'll,
You what?
feel woozy.
Oh no! And could you two please stop running around?
Nah.
Ah.
Hey, I found something.
I'm mad you killed Bubble Flower.
How can you talk? You were about to impale 2 whole teams!
True, but Bubble's life is special. And you know what you get for popping her? You instantly lose Flower power.
Please don't say that again!
Hey, are we just digging in random directions?
Pretty much.
Shouldn't we dig towards the coordinates we heard from Grassy?
You mean 133, -82, -7.63?
Hold on. That location isn't that way. It's that way!
Oh really? Change of plans then.
Wow, Flowey, you really know your way around here.
Yeah, it's one of the perks of being a plant. You gotta have a sense of direction to point our leaves to the sun, you know?
You don't have leaves!
I'm so glad your vomit got us out of that dungeon. It's just smooth sailing from here.
I wouldn't be so sure about that, Nickel. Rocky's vomit isn't eroding as fast as we're falling!
What do you mean?
If any one of us dodges he has it, will disintegrate.
I don't know why you're freaking out, Cloudy.
Why not?
Can't you fly? Your bandages are gone, remember?
Oh, right.
Everybody, grab onto Cloudy.
Yeah!
Hey Yellow Boy, you advertise for a massive department store, right?
Yup!
Does it sell emeralds?
No, but we have these cheap plastic green toys.
Great, let's...
Whoa, hold it! I'm not sure 4 would like to be cheated like that, you know?
But over a year ago, 4 said you don't need frills to make a feast for the eyes, so that means he's okay with trash.
Oh, you're right. Let's turn them in then.
Nice emeralds. I love a team that commits forgery. Commits forgery. Island. You really committed to winning Battle for Dream Island.
4. Does this mean?
It means you completed the contest first. You win.
Yeah!
I'm getting super nauseous. You guys too?
No! You're just a weakling.
Wait, I felt this feeling before.
We are. Oh my god, it's a monster!
Bossy Bot Golf Ball must be right overhead.
You're kidding me! Bozo Brain! Golf ball is up there!
Seems like it.
We must turn around!
Agreed.
I hate Bossy Butt Golf Ball!
But why do we hate Golf Ball so much? And why do we have so many nicknames for her?
Don't ask.
That bonk noise means we've hit the emerald!
Yes, let's go.
Return.
2.
4.
Good plan! Everybody, well jump!
Hey 4, here's your emerald.
Hey 4, here's your emerald! Wow, 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 wow! A better name than that, you're safe!
Whoa, I'm glad that went so smoothly. Never mind.
What just happened? Can someone bring me the loop?
Oh hey, thanks for the emerald. Me and my 4 teammates with arms were trying to grab one.
Hey, but they just took our emerald! They can't do that!
Yeah, that's cheating!
Rossi thinks it's no big deal.
Well, Golf Ball thinks it's a big deal. 4. Want to hear a joke? Not really. 3. There we go. Got it back.
Okay, I patched her up. Let me listen. Well, Barfbag's definitely unconscious now, but she's not dead. Yet.
Donut, I told you I found something.
Could it really be more important than your teammate's life?
Well, maybe. It's a hot spring. An awesome place to chill, and hey, we can also use it to refill Barf Bag.
Oh wow, you're right! Bobby, you're the strongest one of us! Go fill her up!
Huh? Where am I?
Oh, my bakery! You're back, Barf Bag!
Yep, thanks for caring for me. I feel great now.
That's awesome!
I feel really great.
Yup, I bet you do!
No, you don't understand. I feel amazing.
Okay, that's enough.
Well, I think this calls for a celebration. Let's have fun in the pool.
Agreed. Cannonball!
You mean Cannon Spike?
I want a cannonball too!
Looks like you're having fun, Spongy!
I feel so super fantastic!
We've already heard that before, Barfy!
Wait, hold on. I feel good because the water inside me is warm.
Oh?
Yep, this water is warm. Like, really warm.
Yeah, and it's super soothing.
Barfy, what's your point?
Donut, lakes don't get this hot without a reason. We could be near a fiery recovery center, maybe? Or something worse?
Like what?
Time for cannonball number 3! Time for cannonball number 4!
I mean, we could be next to a volcano. Imagine that. Lol.
You're joking, right?
Yeah, of course. No, of course not. Run!
Up there! There's the hole we entered from!
Bommy, that ain't a problem. Huh. See? I nailed that jump.
Oh.
It's too steep!
Oh, well, Spongy's body has a lot of friction.
What?
Spongy, run as high as you can and flop onto the grass.
Okay.
Yay! Now, Bommy, go run up that sponge.
Easy!
Woohoo! Okay, Spongy, time to pull you up. Gosh, this is kind of difficult.
Guys, it's getting really hot.
That's enough! I'm not letting Spongy get used as a disposable tool once again!
I always like deep fried donuts.
Gelatin, that's a little insensitive of you!
Dark humor is the way some people cope with tragedy.
There's no time for this, we gotta run!
Whoa, sunlight!
That's right, the only escape from this cave system is overhead. But nobody here can fly.
I can. I've got my private jet.
Oh, cool. Can we jump on?
Oh, sorry. This jet only has 1 seat.
But isn't one spongy seat enough for all 4 of us smaller ones?
No, 1 seat is 1 seat. And,
This is what you get for not remembering me last episode.
Oh, that sucks. I was hoping we'd made up for that. The lava just entered this tunnel. We need to come up with a new plan. Fast!
I will ignite myself!
No, Bommy!
Now jump on top of me!
My sap, Bommy. If you say so.
Guys, there isn't enough room up here.
We're going to make it out of here.
You're gonna nail it.
How to nail it up in our tunnel? That makes no sense.
It probably means nothing, but is it just me, or is it getting kinda hot in here? Oh no, Cloudy! Turn around! Turn around!
Oh no, I forgot about the acid floor!
I don't want to be disintegrated.
Cloudy, you gotta turn around! Oh no, I forgot about the lava ceiling!
I don't want to be scorched.
Cloudy, you gotta turn around!
Guys, we're trapped. The only way out of the fear is the Ken Roggy depart for acid.
But the stomach's empty!
Well, not if he gets a refill.
Oh, did I just hear you volunteer yourself to get eaten?
What? No!
Alright, Rocky, you heard him. Don't chop that nickel!
Yeah!
Ow.
Hold on, what is this?
Holy moly. We made it out alive, Jelly!
Oh yeah!
Thanks for the ride, Spongy.
I told you, there's only one seat.
Oh my collagen! There's an emerald right next to 4. Let's go get it!
Yeah!
Here!
Impressive. You found an emerald before X did. Team Ice Cube is safe. What? It happened again?
Wait, does that mean I can do the same thing? Here?
Amazing! I'm blown away. The losers are safe. Unbelievable. With 5 teams safe, it's down to Beat, Toro, and Ions to get those last 2 emeralds.
Guys, the lava level is still rising. Is this concerning? I think this is concerning.
Did we seriously just pass up on an emerald just because golf ball was there?
Yeah, but don't sweat it. We might run into another emerald.
I doubt it.
See? Like, there's one.
Oh my Cloud!
I need you guys to blow really hard again. I can sense it. I can feel it. I can smell the crisp autumn air. Whoa!
Oh, great.
You feel that, SB?
Yeah, I feel it all right. Golf balls overhead.
We gotta turn around.
We just have to.
Is it me, or is it getting warm around here?
Oh, geez, Golfball.
Seriously,
I think...
the temperature is 10 standard deviations above normal. And all the grass around me just died.
Well, you are pretty stinky, Golf Ball. You can't blame the grass for not wanting to put up with that.
Yeah!
Wait, I know the explanation. A linked lava chamber must be chasing an underground team. They nearly broke the surface, which brought the lava close enough to the grass to heat it to death. But this team clearly values avoiding me more than their own safety.
That's highly unlikely.
But there's more. If I want this pathetic team to stay underground, lose, and be put up for elimination, I must prevent them from ever breaking the surface again. Aha! The grass over there is starting to die. Not so fast, you dimwits.
Dang it.
We'll have to try somewhere else.
Where's next? Where's next? You want to make your next move there, you say? Well, what if I say no?
Oh, so this is Golf Ball's idea of fun.
Yep.
I think we're at the bottom of the world.
Well, I sure hope not, because then we can't escape the lava. Come on, little one, help me dig. Alright, well, if not little one, why not you, Woody? You have arms.
Ha ha! Ha ha! Stop you there!
Well, I think it's time to stop. You've done this 2,763 times.
Yes, and each of these 2,763 dead patches of grass is a beauty. Just look at them all. Wait, maybe they're trying to communicate with me.
Yeah, they're telling you to stop.
They raise a very convincing argument, but it's not enough. I'll continue.
Oh, what a pain!
Tell me about it.
Guys, I can't believe you're not helping me dig. The lava's only a few feet away.
It's because it's a lost cause, Balloony.
Now hold on, you're a nail. You should have a much better chance at breaking through.
There's an intruder sneaking into my underground factory. I need to go investigate.
Thor deserves this treasure. Here.
You guys were pretty slow, but that's okay. Iance is safe.
Our final two are Up and Beep.
Ow! Huh?
Book.
What do you want?
Okay, forget it. I was going to ask you about something, but clearly you just want to brush me aside. Like when you went to attend Match's dance party.
Wait, it's different now!
Is it?
Yeah, I don't want to associate with Match or with Free Smart ever again. I just want to keep Ice Cube safe from that sort of behavior.
How's that going?
Oh, well...
And don't think I don't know who you were about to talk to. What's your problem with her anyway? What I saw last episode was not how a functional team acts.
She keeps abandoning... Well, that's what it was on about. But that's not what I was gonna do just now.
Then what were you doing?
Well, maybe it's obvious, but that turmoil you saw in our team back then was all because of me. This whole time, I thought I was creating the safe, healthy environment I always wanted by standing up against Taco after she hurt us. But in the end, I only made the team worse for everyone in it. And now Ice Cube doesn't even want to be in it. So, the reason I'm here is to try to actually make things right. I just don't know where to start.
I actually know how you feel. It's hard to patch things up after you've hurt people, even once you learn that you should try. But in a situation like this, I think it's best to think about what they want instead of what you want. Instead of trying to make them happy with you, you should just try to make them happy. Is there anything your teammates want that you weren't letting them have?
Freedom?
Take cover, everybody! Iance, get up! Oh, gag, now it's coming out of two holes!
No! Lava shower! Gotta protect Ice Cube! And Taco!
Wait, what?
Gotta protect you with my fork repellent. It's multi-purpose.
Losers, follow us to safety! Losers, where are... Oh, my mint! How is there so much lava already?
Everyone's probably dead!
Can't dwell on that. Gotta keep going.
Not everyone's dead. I don't know what those sirens are for, but it doesn't matter because the lava will kill us!
That's why it's nice to be short for once. Right, Rocky?
Woody, though, you're medium height.
Whoa! That's lucky, now he's the shortest of all of us.
Enough comparing heights. Now that I'm over halfway through, let's actually try to break this wall.
Who could these barbaric trespassers be?
The lava will start flooding the floor. Head for the stairs. Also, I'm sorry for stabbing you 7 years ago. I didn't mean it.
Whoa! Woody! Naily! You're alive?
Yeah?
That's awesome!
But why are you running down the stairs so fast?
Lava's chasing us from above! Why are you running up the stairs so fast?
Because lava's chasing us from below!
Oh, shoot!
Whoa! Deprecated garbage chute! We could try it, but it's all boarded up.
No big deal, I love breaking things! Toss me over! Whee! I got it off, guys! Wait!
Whoa.
Rest in peace, Coiny.
That slot's too narrow. There's no way I could fit through.
Me neither.
But Woody, if you flip on your side, I think you could make it.
Yeah, Woody. Looks like it's the end of the line for us. But you gotta keep going.
We believe in you, Woody. I bet you'll find paradise at the end of the garbage chute.
I wish we could go with you too, but we just won't fit. I know you can do this.
Sorry, Woody, but the lava's getting close. There's no time left.
We gotta throw you. Remember us, okay?
We found the last emerald. So Toadstool is up for elimination.
Get off my plane.
Now.
Oh no, my dear teammates. It appears this repellent can has run dry.
Vote in the comments using the letter in square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. What?
If all the emeralds were barely underground or inside your eyeball, then why is X still hurtling to the center of the Earth?
What a silly question.
Why am I doing this?